Welcome back to the Florida Real Estate Investing Masterclass. If you've been following along, you now understand how to find, analyze, and finance deals. Now we're going to dive into a powerful but often overlooked strategy, buying vacant land. Whether you plan to flip lots for quick cash, hold them for appreciation, or develop them, land investing is one of the simplest ways to profit in Florida real estate hand, with low overhead and fewer moving parts. Part 1. Why invest in land? Florida's growing population creates constant demand for buildable land. As communities expand inland from major cities, inexpensive parcels bought today can rise dramatically in value within a few years. Benefits of land investing: no tenants, toilets, or repairs, low property taxes and holding costs, no depreciation or structure maintenance. And best of all, you can run this entire business remotely, researching, purchasing, and reselling lots from your laptop. Part 2. Step 1. Understanding Florida's land types. Before you buy, you must know which type of land you're looking at. Common categories include 1. Residential lots, buildable parcels inside developed neighborhoods. 2. Rural acreage and larger parcels, often outside city limits. 3. Commercial land in a zone for offices, retail, or mixed use. 4. Agricultural land used for farming or timber, often cheaper and larger. 5. Recreational land near lakes, forests, or hunting areas. Each has its own buyer pool and zoning requirements. Residential and infill lots are most popular for entry-level investors because they sell quickly and require minimal maintenance. Part 3. Step 2. Researching and evaluating land. Here's where due diligence makes you money. Let's walk through the research checklist every Florida land investor should follow. 1. Confirm ownership and access. Use the county property appraiser website to verify the legal owner and make sure the lot is accessible by public. Landlocked parcels can be difficult to sell. 2. Check zoning and usage. Look up the zoning classification on the county GIS or planning department site. Confirm whether it allows homes, mobile homes, or only agriculture. 3. Flood zones and wetlands. Visit FEMA flood maps and the Florida Department of Environmental Protection Wetland Viewer. Avoid high-risk areas unless discounted heavily. 4. Utilities and road infrastructure. Contact the local utility authority to ask about power, water, or sewer availability. Parcels without utilities may still be valuable to buyers prepared for off-grid living. 5. Market demand. Search comparable land sales within 1 to 2 miles using Zillow or Land.com. Look at what's actually sold, not just listed. This information tells you 2 things: whether the lot is usable and whether there's buyer demand. That's your foundation for price negotiations. Part 4. Step 3. Finding land deals. Florida offers several reliable ways to find undervalued land. County delinquent tax lists. Property owners behind on taxes often sell quickly for cash. Direct mail campaigns targeting absentee out-of-state owners. Land wholesaler networks such as LandFlip and LandWatch. You need to look for FSBO posts. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and Zillow are great places to start. The best deals rarely come from the MLS. Go where competition is low, county data, probate filings, and small online ads. Part 5. Step 4. Running the numbers, land valuation. Estimating value for land is simpler than for houses since there are fewer variables. The first step is to measure the lot size. Second, pull 3 comparables. Finally, determine the average price per acre or square foot. 4. Multiply to estimate your parcel's current value. For example, if nearby quarter-acre lots sold for $26,000, an average of $25,000 per quarter acre, your half-acre lot is roughly worth $50,000. Pitching. Apply your target margin, shed. Most investors pay 50% profit when reselling, 60% of market value. Step 5. Negotiating and acquiring land. Negotiation for land is straightforward when you focus on solving the seller's problem. Reach out by letter, call, or email. I want to start with Empathy Tell. Do you still plan to keep the property, or would you consider a quick cash sale? If they are open, let me explain. I cover all closing costs and can close fast, right through a local title company. Our goal is to make it simple and convenient. When both sides agree, we'll sign the purchase and sale agreement outlining the price, closing date, and costs. Florida closings often happen remotely. Sellers can e-sign documents from anywhere. Part 7. Step 6. Closing the deal. Land closings typically involve 1. Title search and lien check by the title company. 2. Signing the deed, mostly warranty or special warranty deeds. 3. Paying closing costs. 4, recording ownership at the county recorder's office. For small purchases under $5,000, some investors use a notary-assisted deed transfer, Tim. But using a title company adds protection and credibility, especially if you plan to resell. Part 8, Step 7 and exit strategies for profit. Let's break them down. 1, quick flip, cash resale. You buy below market value, then resell to builders or retail buyers at market price. Turnaround, 30 to 90 days. Sell with owner financing. Offer monthly payments instead of full price upfront. Attracts more buyers and creates steady passive income. Example, sell a $20,000 lot with $2,000 down and $300 per month for 6 years. 3, hold for appreciation now. Buy in growth corridors where development is expanding out. Values can double within a few years. Low carrying costs make longer-term holding easy. Develop or partner to build. Team up with a builder to turn your parcel into a finished home or duplex. Useful in high-growth neighborhoods with strong end buyer demand. The best exit depends on your capital, patience, and goals. Quick flips give cash flow. Seller financing builds passive income. Part 9, Step 8, marketing your land. Marketing makes the sale. Here's what works best in Florida. Post on LandWatch, Zillow, Redfine, and Marketplace with clear photos and drone shots, including location descriptions, distance to beaches, lakes, and highways. Features like paved road access. Offer easy payment terms to widen buyer interest. Low A fees. Strong headlines grab attention. Think cleared acre lot near Ocala Kill. Goal is to make the buyer imagine the lifestyle, not just the dirt. The Part 10, Step 9, the legal and tax considerations. A few key points unique to Florida. Always verify property taxes are current before buying. Understand impact fees go. Some counties charge builders for infrastructure. If you sell multiple lots annually, you may need a business license. For seller finance deals, record a promissory note and mortgage to secure repayment. Consult a local title company or real estate attorney for clarity. Go. It's affordable peace of mind. Part 11. Step 10, do examples and profit scenarios. Example 1 done. Quick flip. Buy lot in Lehigh Acres at $9,000. Sell for $18,000. $9,000 profit in 5 weeks. Example 2, seller financing. Purchase quarter acre lot for $8,000. Sell for $16,000 with $1,000 down, plus $250 per month for 60 months. You collect $16,000 over 5 years, more than doubling your investment and creating recurring cash flow. Once you systemize this process, land deals can become a reliable monthly income stream, and even on small properties. Part 12, common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Buying land without confirming legal access, ignoring flood maps and environmental restrictions, forgetting to verify zoning before marketing is buildable, overpricing lot spell, land buyers shop by value, not emotion. Every time you buy smart and check your data, you lower risk and boost trust with buyers. You've learned how to research zoning, access, and utility details. Find off-market landowners ready to sell. Accurately estimate market value. Close safely and legally. Choose exit strategies that align with your goals. Florida's land market is wide open for investors who do their homework. Even one good land flip can fund your next few deals, pal. That's the beauty of this niche. In our next session, Module 8, Fix and Flip Strategy, we'll shift from dirt to dwellings. You'll learn how to renovate, manage, and sell homes for consistent profit across Florida's hottest markets. Thanks for watching Module 7, and I'll see you in the next lesson.